Hi guys, so this is video 2, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up this bed when you get home. A couple safety things. We want to make sure this bed is laid on a flat surface. It's very important that this is stable on a surface so that we don't have any concerns with a rolling infant. A couple other things. We do want to make sure that you're using it in something that provides safety for the infant. So these are made to fit in a bassinet or a crib, or you can put it even like in a sturdy drawer. We just want to make sure that there are some barriers around your infant in case they are rolling. Yes, these are newborns and I hope that doesn't happen, but this is to keep them safe. Another important thing, we do not want the infant to be in a place where it is already warm. These beds should not be used in any environment over 98.6 degrees. So please remember that when you're finding the right spot for your child to lay on. We want to make sure the cord is also in a place that it's not going to cause any problems with the infant grabbing it or someone tripping over it and possibly pulling the bed to another location. So do make sure wherever you place this that you've considered some of those safety things. And lastly, we do not want it to get wet. We know infants pee and that may happen. If it does, we definitely want you to turn the machine off immediately, remove the infant, clean and dry the area before we reset. So I'm just going to show you how to plug in and put this together, and then in the next video we'll talk a little bit about the settings and how to operate it. So I've got my bed. I'm going to make sure it's on a flat surface. We discussed this cord on this side. It is going to connect directly to the controller. It is a circular opening that you're going to see, and this will slide right in, arrow meets arrow, and you'll get kind of a little click and make sure that it's in there tight, okay? The second portion, of course, we're more familiar with these cords. You're gonna plug in the adapter to one side, and then this will plug into the wall. When it does, it is gonna go through a little process, self-check, so you'll hear a beep, and you'll see some flashing on the screen, and we'll talk a little bit about that in the next video. The last thing I want you to do to set up is you're gonna get your swaddle out. These swaddles are made to go directly on this bed that hopefully is clean and dry already. You are welcome to use disinfectant wipes, just home disinfectant wipes to wipe this down and then dry it. We don't want it to get very damp, so we're not dripping any or spraying anything, but a wipe with some disinfectant on it, wiping it down, making sure it's dry. As far as this swaddle, you'll notice that this is made to go right over the machine. It's got some stretchy material on all sides. You're gonna go ahead and place it on one side of the machine. The side that does not have the cord is considered where the feet should go. And then you're gonna put the other side over, and it should fit on there very snug so that you can see. These pieces, I'll show you when I get the infant up here, are gonna just gently wrap over the baby to try to keep them a little cuddled in on the machine. So that's the general setup of the machine, and from here in the next video we'll go over settings.